Hello class. Uh, I hope you all are well and you all have done your work and as well as your assignment. Okay. Uh, Today I'm going to start your second chapter in this video. You can study this second chapter. Okay. As you can see here, the second chapter is Excel formula and function. Okay. Uh, in this chapter, we will see a formula and function. It means what is the formula and what is function. And the next point, we will see that how can we write a formula or a function. Okay. The very first question is what is a formula? As you all know, that uh, if you want to do something, then uh, then you can uh, if you want to do something in the Excel, then you have to write your data in cell, in Excel sheet in cell. Okay, but uh, if you want to calculate something and you want to perform easy calculation, then there is need of a formula. Okay, a formula, you can say that a formula is a sequence of your values or your cell reference or your functions and your operators. It means if you want to make a formula, then there is need of some values, there is need of cell reference, there is need of other functions. And what is the function, I will tell you later. And the very major part of the formula is operator. It means if you want to make a formula, then you need of values. Let me write value and cell reference, or you can say cell address. I'm writing address, it is easy to understand. And operator. All these basic things are required to make a formula. Okay. Values, you can say that value may be your any value. Value may be your text value, value may be your number value. Okay, and cell address, as you all know about Excel, if you want the address of the cell, then you have to write the row number and your column number. Okay, it means, for example, A1, this is the cell reference, or B10, this is the cell reference. Okay, uh, there's need of value, there's need of cell reference or cell address, and there is operator. This is the very important point of the formula. For the formula, add operator. What is this operator? Operator may be any kind of any kind, but I'm writing here some operator like plus. You can use plus, minus, into, divide. Okay, all these symbols are known as operator, and in Excel there are many types of operators. Okay, I will tell you further in our further video how many types of operator are there in the Excel. Okay, so let's come to the point. The formula, if you want to make a formula, then there is need of value, cell address, and operator. A formula is the combination, we can say that a formula is the combination of all these things. Okay, if we combine a value with operator or cell address with operator, then that will be a formula. For example, let me write, if I write here, suppose I am writing here 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20, 10 is the value, 20 is the value. and plus is the operator. So we can say that this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. This is known as formula. Okay, but uh, 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 one more thing here I am writing. If I am writing here a5 plus b5, this is also a formula. Okay, so if we want to make a formula, we have to make a sequence of values with operator, or cell address with operator. Okay, but if we are writing this formula, then there is need of another thing that is very essential to make a formula, and that is equal to sign. This is the single equal to sign. If you want to make a genuine formula in Excel, then there is need of equal to sign. Here, if I am writing 10 plus 20, this is the formula, but this formula cannot be used in Excel. A5 plus B5, this is also a formula, but this formula cannot be used in Excel cell. So if we want to write a formula, this is the part, writing a formula. If we want to write a formula, then there is need of equal to sign. After equal to sign, we can use this formula. It means 10 plus 20. Now this is okay, and this can be understood by the Excel. This can be written in the Excel. Okay, same thing for here. If we want to write a formula, then first we have to write equal sign. After that, a5 plus b5. This is understood by the Excel. Okay, I think you all have got this point, what is formula and how can we write a formula. Okay, the next question is where to write the formula. If you make a formula, then the question is where to write the formula. फॉर्मूला कहाँ लिखें, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि कैसे लिखें, ये तो हमें पता चल गया, लेकिन कहाँ पे लिखना है. So the answer is, if you want to write a formula, then you can write your formula in cell. In cell you can write the formula, or in formula bar. Formula bar, okay? You can write your formula in cell or in formula bar. Okay, you know the formula bar. I think you all know about the formula bar. When you open your Excel, then at the top of you can see this sign. Let me write. You can see that there is a sign like this. There is a special bar. Let me draw that. Here you can see that cross sign. Then you can see the tick sign, and you can see here fx. Okay, this bar in Excel, if you see this bar in Excel, this bar is known as formula bar. Okay, in this formula bar you can write your formula. Like if I want to write the formula a5 plus b5, then we can write here is equal to a5 plus b5. Okay, this is the way to write your formula. Or you can write the formula in cell. If you want to write the formula in cell, then you have to double click on that particular cell where you want to write the formula. Okay, I think you all have got this point. The point is, what is formula? The formula is the sequence of these, this and this. And how can we write the formula? We can write the formula using equal to sign with value and operator, using equal to sign with cell reference and operator. Okay, and where to write the formula? Formula we can write in cell or in formula bar. We can write the formula. Okay. The next question is, what is function? Here, as you can see, formula and function. Okay, formula makes our task very easy, makes our calculation very easy. We have to make a formula. If we are the user, then we have to make the formula to make our task easy. Okay, but कई बार ऐसा पॉइंट होता है कि एक्सेल जो है बहुत सारे फार्मूलाज का कलेक्शन करके एक्सेल हम लोगों को प्रोवाइड कर देता है. एक्सेल हम लोगों को बहुत सारे फार्मूलाज देता है, लेकिन वो फार्मूला एक जगह पर कलेक्ट करके देता है. जहाँ पर फार्मूला का कलेक्शन होता है या प्री डिफाइंड जो फार्मूलाज बनाए जाते हैं, दैट प्री डिफाइंड फार्मूलाज इज नोन एज फंक्शन. ओके, इट मीन्स व्हाट इज अ फंक्शन. फंक्शन क्या है? फंक्शन यानी कि एक ऐसा लोकेशन या फंक्शन इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ प्री डिफाइंड फार्मूलाज. ओके, बहुत सारे फार्मूलाज जो पहले से बना के रखे गए हैं उन्हीं को हम लोग फंक्शन कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमें बार बार फार्मूला बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. ठीक है, अगर हमें कोई टास्क करना है तो फिर से हमें बार बार फार्मूला नहीं बनाना है. ऑलरेडी एक्सेल ने बहुत सारे फार्मूलाज ऑलरेडी बना करके प्री डिफाइंड तरीके से बना करके उसने दिया है, बस हमको यूज़ करना है. ओके, सो वो फंक्शन, उसी को हम लोग फंक्शन कहते हैं. और वो फंक्शन क्या होता है, कैसे हम लोग करते हैं, ये मैं अपने अगले वीडियो में बताऊंगा कि कौन कौन से फंक्शन हैं और कैसे हम लोग उसे सेल एड्रेस के साथ अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, ठीक है, थैंक यू. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी.